Is a rooming house a really good social investment, or is it just for greedy investors? Well, it's one of the strategies I like, where the reality is there is two pathways there which can benefit both sides. The reality is, when we look at South East Queensland, particularly Brisbane at the moment, there is no stock, there is no available land, rents are going through the roof. So the average person who has a full-time job can no longer afford to rent a unit, or a townhouse, or a house by themselves. So that only leaves the option of co-sharing in an existing house where you're sharing facilities, spaces, and you may not even have security in your own room. I love this idea of a rooming house because one of the biggest motivators is not just affordability for rent, because you can get a lower rent of between $300 and $400 a week. You can have your own living bedroom, storage space, bathroom, kitchen, living area, dining room, everything you need on a smaller scale for a rental return. Affordable, be in a good area, and at the same time, basically not breaking the bank, and also having all your renting and so all your electricity included. That's included in the cost, and as well as high-speed internet. So perfect for a working person, and obviously if it's in a good location as well. For the investor, it's also a great asset, especially for people who have been in the game a bit longer and maybe want to transition down and selling older assets and rolling their capital from a capital growth asset into a cash flow asset. That way you can get a rental return of over 8%. You have tax deductions on a new asset, which will put money back on your pocket, and you'll have a cash flow that can start to give you the choice to move into a lifestyle phase of your investment and get more time back. So to me, this is a great social class of investment. It's a great solution for both sides. It's helping people, it's great deductions, and it's great for the investor, and it's helping the marketplace provide more rooms and more spaces for living in an area where there's not much land but more and more people coming in. Definitely worth considering. Of course, price point is a factor. Approximately $800,000 is where they started. The market's gone up because of cost of land, cost of build, cost of construction, all those things. But it is a good strategy, where maybe you could do it as a family, maybe you could have it part ownership, maybe you could do it in your self-managed super fund. There's different variations there that could plant this type of asset in your position, and you can reap the benefits later. Definitely worth looking into. It's a specialist product. It's basically you do need the right team working with you to make sure that build and the whole process is working together to make sure you get the outcome you want. And I've got clients doing that right now that are just getting great results. So if you want to know more, shoot me a message. Always happy to chat. Thanks.